so you can see this is my potty seat on my elongated toilet seat. You can see there is a slight gap, but I've never really had any issues. You just want to make sure that it does lock into place. I will say when my child gets up from using the potty, I always find little driblets of pee right here. So it might be just something inevitable that happens or not. It is a little bit difficult for her to get up the stairs by herself. I just think it's a really awkward, steep angle, so your kid might definitely need help getting up. I will say I ordered a cheaper brand from Amazon. I think it was the only one that was around $20. And honestly, I did not see a big difference between this brand and the other one. The reason why I got this one is because it supposedly has a cushion seat, which it does have a slight cushion, but I don't know if it's worth the $10 price increase. But yeah, serves its purpose. So